Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing Studio so automation lives inside Roblox, not outside. Open Roblox Studio, enable plugins, then open Explorer and Properties. Once done, create a new place and insert a local script under Starter Player Scripts for player-side automation or a script under Server Script Service for server tasks. Make sure Dev Mode and API services are available. This keeps testing consistent. You're now ready to write the first small routine that will drive the automator behavior from within the game environment. Now you'll write the core logic that performs actions. In a local script, use user input service or context action service to trigger a sequence, then fire a remote event to the server for protected changes. In the server script, handle that remote event and perform actions like moving NPCs or changing objects. Use task. Wait with sensible intervals and a debounce variable to avoid rapid repeats. This pattern keeps authority on the server while letting the client automate input sequencing safely and predictably. Finish by testing thoroughly. Run play solo and play here to confirm both client and server parts behave. Once satisfied, you can wrap the logic into a plugin for repeated studio use or keep it as in-game scripts. Make sure to save versions and document triggers. If things go wrong, check the output window for errors, ensure filtering enabled is respected, and confirm remote event permissions. Mismatched client-server expectations are the most common issue. Adjust waits and debounces to stabilize timing before publishing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.